Children of God, in the book of Genesis, the story of Joseph revealed a painful moment within a family. Joseph was one of the sons of Jacob. His father loved him deeply and even gave him a special robe. Because of this, his brothers became jealous and angry. Their jealousy grows stronger when Joseph shared dreams that suggested he would one day rise above them. One day, when Joseph came to visit his brothers in the field, they plotted against him. Instead of killing him, they decided to sell him to traveling merchants. Joseph was taken away and sold into slavery in Egypt. The brothers returned home and told their father that a wild animal attacked Joseph. The story showed how betrayal can sometimes comes from those closest to us. Yet Joseph's journey eventually led him to become a leader who saved many lives during a famine.